Hello everyone, this is Jeffy Jebastin. Today we're going to be seeing about the ninth experiment of web technology. We are going to be working with Ajax. And according to the question, for this exercise we are going to extend a previous exercise 8 by adding one or more feature, live username availability checking using Ajax and PHP, using MySQL database to store user details in the local machine, and then we are going to add the event handler for checking the username availability via Ajax. When the user leaves the username field, if username exists in the database, then display the message like username not exist. Otherwise, display username already exists. So, going to our code. Um, Now, this is a login page consisting of the name and the email, and this is little bit of Ajax code. As you can see, we've put it in inside script tags, and we've also used a function check user, which on blur in the name tag, in the name field is going to call the function check user and give this dot value. So function check user of string, and then we put the XML HTTP equals new XML HTTP. A new object is created. Then we open the file using get action and not post, and then we send the XML HTTP file. And on ready, we call the function, and we also give this dot ready state, which is equal to 4, and this dot state is which is equal to 200. Now these are the ports through which the data is going to travel, and document dot get element by id, and then the div element s, as you can see here, and in this dot response text. So this directly links to the file experiment 9b, which is here. And then here I have my PHP code, which is input. I'm getting name and input and name as well. Then I connect my SQLi, which is for Ajax, using localhost, root, and password if required, which can be given. Then the registration. Then if name is equal to blank, I'm going to select the user. Basically, it is a condition. The username, the name which we are going to enter, it is going to select the user from the user is my table from registration database, and I'm going to check using this condition, this query, and then the result is going to contain my SQLi query of sconnect and the dollar symbol SQL. Now SQL is the query and connect is the connection which has been established. And now as you can see, I introduce another variable which is hint, which is equal to no value for now. And if input is equal to no value, then input, as you can see from the previous file, it is the input value. So the input value is, if it is not equal to null, which means if it has a certain value, then we select, and then the loop keeps running to check for all the name lists, for all the names which are in the table. Then based on this ternary operation, which is if hint is equal to nothing, then username doesn't exist. But if the condition is true, then the username already exists and the name is displayed here as taken from this while loop. And also this is my database. This is the registration folder in which we have the table user, and as you can see, there are few values which have already been entered, which is Jeffy, Shiny, Mommy, Daddy, Jeffrey, Rose. Apart from these values, the output has to be that the value doesn't exist. Now I'm going to run my file. And let me try Jeffrey at first. Sorry. And as you can see, username already exists. Let me try Rose, which is also in the table. Okay, username already exists. But let me try something. For example, Jasmine, the username not exist. So as you can see, and even if we are going to, and let me, and then I register, it's going to show username not exist, but for the values inside the table, it is going to show that it exists. With this, we complete our ninth experiment of web technology. Thank you.